Hey everybody, welcome to my first unboxing video. This is Phoenix, he's here to help me.
Hi.
And my other son Kieran is going to help with me too. This is my first unboxing video, I haven't done one before.
Oh.
Here's kind of the deal. So I've been an artist with TeePublic. They make great t-shirts, I think for about 5 or 6 years now. And they sent me an email and said, how would you like to do an unboxing video? We'll send you some products that you make in your store and you can open up for everybody and do an unboxing video. And I'm like, well, sure, why not? Who doesn't love free stuff? And their stuff is always really nice. And I need some new t-shirts. Actually, Phoenix is wearing one of my t-shirts from TeePublic.
Yeah.
I
like it.
Life Finds a Way shirt based on the when they were building
the Velocicoaster?
That's right, a Universal. And I'm wearing my Liquid Luau shirt, which is one of my favorite shirts. Not just because I made it, but it's super comfortable. I wear it literally at least once a week because it's just a nice, comfy shirt. They make really nice shirts at TeePublic. So we got 3 packages from them. 2 of them that I think could be shirts, and 1 which is a box. So I'm not really sure what's in here, but we will find out. I know they make other things besides shirts, and so maybe that's what's in there. We'll see. So Phoenix, why don't you start with this package?
Okay.
Oh yeah, one thing that my dad left out, the t-shirts come in multiple colors.
That's true.
You need to mention that, Dad.
Yes, they do.
101.
For all my designs, they're available in different cuts and colors and in sizes up to 5X. So there are cuts for ladies, there's cuts for men, there are long sleeve shirts, short sleeve shirts, tank tops, everything available. Baseballs, so there's for every design that I have, you can get them in all kinds of multiple different styles.
I have a question.
Okay.
Does the Life Finds a Way come in different colors?
It does. It does. It looks best in black, but you can get it in red and yellow too.
You never told me this before I bought the shirt.
All right, so Phoenix, why don't you open the first package?
Scissors! You practiced this one time before.
Yes, we did.
This is done.
Wait, no story. Don't.
This is a big boy. It's also very hard to cut.
You full. There you go.
10.
So the packaging is nice and sturdy.
10 hours
So,
later. If this doesn't...
I think you got it.
Yay!
There we go.
It is a shirt. Dad caught.
Oh, all right.
What is those? Bye-bye tag.
It's the
I see traverse.
It's the receipt.
What is...
Introverts, but feeding.
How
Let me read it.
big
Introverts
is...
willing to talk about introverted, but willing to talk about Bruno. That's great. Phoenix doesn't know what that means.
I actually don't.
You don't? You know the song "We Don't Talk About Bruno"?
No,
Yes.
he doesn't know what an introvert is.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
Well,
yeah.
well, there's these shirts that are going around that say "introverted but willing to talk about" and then like some subject. So I made one that said "introverted but willing to talk about Bruno" because of the song "We Don't Talk About Bruno." No. So that's like a play on that. So that's cool.
Yeah. Sure. Wait a minute. What colors
That
did
was
this...
pretty
What
sketchy.
colors did this shirt come in?
Well, this one actually comes in probably about 5 or 6 colors because anything that white would look good on, it would look good on that.
So like navy,
I need to go get
black.
those.
Navy, black, and especially the same kind of like the shirt, the heather. This is called like a charcoal heather. I like this one because it's really soft, but this is also pretty soft. This is on a Bella and canvas shirt. So, and you can you can zoom in on the print there. You can see the print quality is very good.
Don't forget to get a shot at Jimmy.
There's Jimmy.
And
There's
here's our dog, Jimmy. Jimmy, will you help us? I think that's the yes. I don't know. I don't speak
That's
dog
definitely a
or
yes.
dog.
I'm sure
signals.
wriggling around in your arms is a
All right.
as a yes.
So shall we open the second one now?
Yes.
All right.
Yes, you.
Got it?
I'm just gonna rip it. because I'm just feeling like ripping it.
Okay.
Oh, this one's colorful.
Multi.
I like this one.
I see an E, and that's about it.
I see something.
Oh, I don't think this is a shirt. Oh, it's not.
Is this one?
It seems to be Japanese.
It is a tapestry.
What's
I think.
that thing?
Whoa.
Which is like sort of like a
Oh, it's
flag.
Epcot. That's why it looks like
Oh,
Japanese.
it's Epcot.
It's upside down.
Yeah, it's
Wait,
upside
what?
down.
It's
Oh.
Tekok. It's upside down. Here we go. Now it's right side up.
Well, what is this thing?
It's a giant
Why is there a thing in the middle?
I can't
Oh.
see
What's
either of you.
this thing?
Well, here.
What's this
All
thing?
right. So this is Epcot After Dark, and Spaceship Earth, right?
Okay.
That's the fountain, the pyramid fountain that the man that we had at Retro Magic designed, Norm Inouye. So that's the prism fountain. And then it's got the sparkles now. This is kind of like my 1980s design idea. So it's got the sunset and then the silhouettes of the palm trees and then Spaceship Earth. And these tapestries are enormous. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, when you held it up the first time, I couldn't see either of you, and I couldn't see you a second ago.
Isn't you're gonna have to tell us why you made this in real life.
Oh, well, he told us because they needed something that was on more of a human scale. So as you walked up to Spaceship Earth, there was which is humongous and gigantic.
Yeah.
They wanted something that was more relatable. So Norm came up with the idea of the fountain. I've never had a tapestry before, but
The more you know.
But again, here, let's look at the print quality.
Okay.
So this is
Zooming in.
really smooth. You can see the lines here
What do we do with it?
are like very strong.
I have a question.
What do you do with it?
Yeah.
To be honest, I have no idea. I think that's why I've never.
I'll look it up. We'll look it up after the recording.
So you can. I know you can hang it. I know you can hang it on the wall as a decoration. But I think you might be able to. You could probably put it on a flagpole and like hang it outside as a flag. How does it smell? That's the most important thing. The smell test.
I don't know. Does it smell like liquid or something else?
Oh, machine wash cold. It is made out of polyester.
The more you know. And you can buy this online for I don't know how much.
I don't know, but we'll find out and we'll put it right here.
Well, this is now I'm gonna do the unboxing of whatever this fragile item is. I prefer to
Open sesame.
leave that there as that is technically a dangerous. It's a mug.
The mug. That's why it's a fragile.
Save Reedy Creek.
Nice.
What is
Very
that?
nice.
What's the Reedy Creek, Dad?
I don't know.
Dad, what is
Wait, it looks like
I
there's
love
some stuff.
What's the?
Oh.
What is that?
There's like little bust bits.
Oh, okay. I think it was just some cardboard.
Otherwise, I'd say this is a 10 out of 10 item. You can also buy this online for I don't know how much money.
We'll find out and we'll put the number right there.
Yes, there.
Right there.
Where the mug is. We'll put it, wait, I'll turn it around and we'll put it on this side of the mug. I was also here and now I'm going to go get something to drink.
Okay.
All right. So thanks for sitting there unboxing a video. If you want to get any of these products for yourself,
Just go to something.com.
Yeah.
I think.
you can go to.
You'll find the link to it right here.
Now we're gonna have to edit that in, Kieran.
Actually, no, the link will be in the description.
We'll put it in.
Okay.
Yeah,
go from-
somewhere.
We'll put it in. But the link will be in the description. We'll also put the link right here for those of you who want to do that. So you can also go to my TeePublic shop, go to teepublic.com, then look for Go Away Green, and you can find all of these designs there. Thanks again for TeePublic for sending me this stuff. It's been awesome, and it's actually been really fun to do this unboxing. So
Yeah.
so maybe we'll do some more of these. That's kind of okay, right?
Yes.
All right.
Oh, and the link for both of them is right here. That's at something.com, and here's Go Away Green right here. More editing.
All right. So next time, thanks a lot.
Bye.
Bye.
I'm a dog.